Good morning. So, a new ride starts from today. This is 16th of April and the time is 9:30 in the morning. I just left from home and came to this fuel station close to my place so that I can tank her up. So this is going to be a one-week trip starting from today, and the bike looks simply gorgeous like this with these Lone Rider pannier bags. I'm using these for the first time, so let's see how it goes. Let's start the ride. We are just going to connect the autobahn in like 70 meters and फिर उसके बाद straight towards Frankfurt. It hardly takes 10 minutes for me to connect to the autobahn. It's like really close, and temperature right now is 18 degrees. I'm feeling a bit hot. तो मुझे लग रहा है कि I will have to open up my vents of the jacket after some time. So maybe I will take a small break and then I will have to open up all the vents because it is only going to get hotter during the day. It's a bit unusual in April, like mid of April, to be like this hot during the day. I remember last year it was different. It was also more cold, but it's good, at least for riding. You don't have to think much. अभी मैंने बाइक डायनामिक मोड में रखी है because dynamic mode is like the best mode to ride all day on the autobahn. So the suspension gets more stiffer. You don't feel as many bumps. वैसे भी there are not much bumps on the autobahn, and people go like 300, 350 on the autobahn. So dynamic is like the best full day highway करने के लिए. So if you're in the city, you can put it in the road mode, and which becomes so the bike becomes more softer and the ride becomes more plush. Here it is. हम आ भी गए ऑटोबान, like 10 minutes. Yeah, so this is our route. यहाँ से we will get Hanover, then Göttingen, Kassel, and then Frankfurt. So I think Hanover, if I remember, last port पे लिखा था 141 kilometers. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1.5 घंटा लगेगा. It will not take much time. But yeah, ये 2025 सीज़न की फर्स्ट राइड है अपनी, एंड मज़ा आएगा बहुत. वी वर लाइक सो एक्साइटेड फ्रॉम पास्ट 3 months कि कब ये टाइम आएगा, कब वी विल गेट ऑन द रोड, वी विल राइड द बाइक्स अगेन आफ्टर द विंटर्स. एंड ये इस बाइक पे तो ऑब्वियसली मेरी फर्स्ट लॉन्ग राइड है. let's overtake. I think ये section पे there is no speed limit or something. But I would still wait for the board. 120 is like a normal speed autobahn पे. It is like recommended speed 120. You can also go at 130. But then there are some patches जहाँ पे there is no speed limit at all. तो वहाँ पे भगा सकते हैं हम लोग. It's a bit windy, काफ़ी wind blast आ रहा है. बट ये बाइक इतनी हैवी है ना कि ऐसा कुछ फील नहीं होता है बाइक को. $123, almost 25, and bike is like 4,000 RPM पे, which is not much. So there was this board पीछे अभी speed limit वाला 120 is the speed limit, at least ये part पे. मुझे अपने ना gloves भी change करने पड़ेंगे. ये इतने मोटे हैं, these are the winter gloves, और इतने मोटे हैं कि मेरे को ऐसा फील ही नहीं हो रहा है कि मैं GoPro का बटन प्रेस कर रहा हूँ, नहीं कर रहा हूँ, कौन से मोड में है GoPro, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. आई डोंट इवन नो कि वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो भी रहा है कि नहीं. देयर इज़ अ पेट्रोल पंप आगे 3 किलोमीटर पे, तो मे बी आई विल ट्राई टू स्टॉप ओवर देयर. देयर इज़ सम काइंड ऑफ अ कंस्ट्रक्शन गोइंग ऑन यहाँ पे, तो स्पीड लिमिट इज़ लाइक 80. I just changed my gloves to these warm summer kind of gloves. दूसरे वाले में इतना ज़्यादा गर्म हो रहा था ना, पूरा अंदर पसीना आ रहा था, जिसकी वजह से ग्लव्स भी ना स्टिक हो रहे थे हाथ पे. तो आई थॉट अभी ही रुक के चेंज कर लेता हूँ, बेटर रहेगा. एंड मैंने नीचे वाली एडिशनल लाइट्स भी ऑन कर दी ताकि हाईवे पे ज़्यादा विजिबिलिटी बनी रहे. देन एवरीथिंग इज़ डन. वापस चलते हैं. स्ट्रैप्स लगा देता हूँ बैक के. दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस. ये लोन राइडर का बहुत अच्छा मैकेनिज़्म है कि इफ़ देर इज़ लाइक लॉन्ग स्ट्रैप विच काइंड ऑफ हैंग्स इन द एयर, तो ये ऐसा उसके लिए देर इज़ दिस क्लिप, इसमें क्लिप में डाल दो, बैठ जाता है. एंड इट वर्क्स लाइक अ चार्म. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड अगेन. लेट्स गो.
Where did the spark go, the warmth that once stole?
350 किलोमीटर्स रह जाएंगे अपने डेस्टिनेशन को, तो मे बी आई एम थिंकिंग आई विल टेक अ ब्रेक, थोड़ी कॉफ़ी लूँगा। आई जस्ट हैड ब्रेकफास्ट, मॉर्निंग में कॉफ़ी नहीं थी, डेफिनेटली नीड अ कॉफ़ी। या so far the ride is going smooth. So quick update, time is 11:34 and there is so much traffic, so I think there is some construction work going on in the other lane, and that's why we have only 2 lanes in this direction and also 2 lanes in the other direction. This is causing a lot of traffic, but the view is amazing. So right after this flyover you can see small hills which are so green with like different shades of green, dark and then light green. So if you just look at the view and ignore this traffic, then everything else is fine. Maybe this is the only thing which is also motivating other people. Yeah, but I think this will go on for maybe 5 more kilometers, this entire thing, the thing with traffic, and then I think it will open up again. I still need to take a break. I haven't taken a break yet. I was looking for a good place to have coffee, पर अभी तक कुछ मिला नहीं है. Let's see when I can find me some coffee. I can also see a lot of bikers on this highway. Some of them were also coming from the opposite direction. There is one going in front of me, like 2 cars ahead. Okay, so yeah, after 5 kilometers I think I should be able to take a break. I just saw the board. I'm not really hungry, but some coffee would be really nice. आई गेस यहाँ पे एक ब्रेक ले सकते हैं अभी. ओह, शेल भी है, बट पेट्रोल तो नहीं चाहिए, थोड़ी कॉफ़ी चाहिए बस. $300 more kilometers to go. Maximum speed 150. Really? मैं कब गया 150 पे? So this thing is really nice. यहाँ पे you can park the bike इधर, then have the coffee वहाँ से. There is also this small bench where you can sit and eat. कुछ अपना खाना लाए हो, अपना खाना भी खा सकते हैं, पानी पी सकते हैं, टेक अ ब्रेक. Just had my coffee and I feel much better after the coffee. The bike looks absolutely amazing and gorgeous. Look at that. These bags are so big and huge, but even तब भी ये इस बाइक के लिए बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि बाइक के ये वाले बैग्स बहुत ओवर साइज्ड हैं या फिर बहुत बड़े हैं. बाइक के साइज़ के हिसाब से बिल्कुल सही जा रहे हैं. Obviously ये वाला bag on the right side, this is 31 liters and this one is 38 liters, just to balance the weight. I tried my best to balance the weight in both of the bags, but still थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे तो हो ही जाता है. But yeah, now let's start again and we'll try to cover more distance. अभी जैसे जैसे कासल के पास जाएंगे वैसे वैसे ये थोड़े छोटे हिल्स और आते रहेंगे रास्ते में. थोड़ा आगे जाके ये जो रास्ता है ये भी थोड़ा वाइंडिंग हो जाएगा बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि कासल ग्योटिंगन थोड़ा सा हिली एरिया है. सो जस्ट टुक अ क्विक लंच ब्रेक. यहाँ पे आई एम 150 kilometers, yeah, approximately 150 kilometers from Frankfurt. It will take me another 1.5 hours, and I was sitting over there, had my lunch which I already packed from home. Yeah, ready to leave again now. I think now I will directly go and stop at Frankfurt. I'm going to Arjun's place. He's expecting me around 4. I think we can make it. Okay, so we can leave. What the hell is this truck doing over here? और कोई जगह नहीं मिली क्या रुकने की? Like some people are just idiots. Yeah, so today was mostly highway riding alone, and then from tomorrow things will change, and 2 more people will join me. I know them, who they are, like I'm friends with them, Akshay and Abhas, but I've never ridden with them, so this will be the first time riding with them. And we will not do a lot of highways, but instead we will do more country roads, which are more scenic, more beautiful. Highways are also good, but you need to maintain a speed, and then you're not able to see a lot of things, you're not able to enjoy a lot. But as soon as I crossed Kassel, the scenery is like really changed and it is so beautiful. Just look at that. It's so amazing. मेरे हेलमेट के वाइजर पे इतने मक्खी मच्छर आके मर रहे हैं ना, ऐसा सिर्फ आवाज़ आ रही है पट एंड दे आर डेड, पट एंड दे आर डेड. पूरा हेलमेट का वाइजर मेरे को निकाल के क्लीन करना पड़ेगा आफ्टर गोइंग टू फ्रैंकफर्ट. So the adaptive cruise control is on right now. It can be seen here. I've set it at 118. So now if I go close to the car ahead, the bike will automatically slow down. I really like this feature. For me this was the first time on this bike, but I'm really in love with it, and I use it more than I thought I would. See, now it has slowed down, and if I want to overtake, I will just give the indicator and then the bike speeds up again. I'm not doing anything with the throttle. I've completely taken my hand off the throttle. Yeah, this is a really good feature in this bike. This is also one of the major differences between this 1300 GS and the outgoing model 1250 GS. By the way, this Autobahn number 49 is really scenic. The last time I went to Frankfurt, I think we stayed on Autobahn number 7 all the way till Frankfurt, but somehow I got pointed to this one today, and then this is amazing. It's really good. I'm really enjoying the ride, except for these insects which are dying on my windscreen. Just reached Frankfurt and the time is 4:22. Took me a while because I was waiting for my friend to reach home, and अभी बस सामान वगैरह लेके ऊपर जाते हैं. He stays somewhere over there, I think, maybe that one. I'm not too sure. देखते हैं. I will call him now and ask कि अर्जुन कहाँ पे है. And from tomorrow the actual ride actually starts, which will be fun.